Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a really fast unboxing video. So I went to Amy Mealy's Cyber Monday sale in her Facebook group, and she is the owner of XAZ Beads, and she sells artisan pendants and things like and beads. And you have, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, have probably seen some beads that I've gotten from her before. So I just got two little sets, but I wanted to show them to you because they're so beautiful. So the first one I opened, I already peeked at these because I couldn't wait. I was like, these are gorgeous. I know they're gorgeous, but I was really shocked at I got this set for a specific one in it, but I really ended up loving the other two pieces that were in the three-piece set too. So here is the first one that I pulled out, and it was not the reason why I got this set, and I don't really have a lot of her shiny pieces because I really love the matte pieces, but I love this. It's a really pretty like turquoise green with like copper and bronze and a little tiny bit of a hint of purple. This one's really pretty, and I think it's going to go well with some turquoise. That's what I'm thinking. I also, the next one I pulled out was this one. This is the reason why I bought this lot, and I couldn't believe how gorgeous it was in real life because it looks really pretty in the pictures, but it didn't look this pretty. And that same goes for this one. So I can't remember if this was the one where I was like on the fence because I had bought one, but then I was on the fence of a couple others, and I'm really glad I got this because it looks like an Arizona sunrise or sunset, like if you thought those were like the mountains or something. My goodness, it is beautiful. I love that sun. And then last but not least is this beautiful teardrop, and I just love how simple it is and gorgeous. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. I love that. And then, so I got another set of three. I told you it's going to be a real fast video. And the one that I got this for was this little face, and he's shiny too. I don't know if I have any shiny faces from her. And I was like, well, how do you use them? Because the back is a little concave. But look, there is the hole. So you wear it as a pendant. It is gorgeous. And then this one actually surprised me with how beautiful it was. All of them did. And I don't know why, because I know I love her stuff. So I don't know why I was surprised at all. But this one is just the richness and all the colors. I guess I just really wasn't paying attention when I looked at the photos. These are just so gorgeous. And then last but not least, this beautiful donut. Just that beautiful raku finish. Oh my goodness. So check out Amy's Facebook group, her shop online. I'm going to go get the drawer that I put all of her stuff in, and we'll add these in. It looks like we're going to need a new Amy drawer soon because stuff always comes in, but nothing ever comes out. But I knew I already had this one, but it's so different than this one, and I love them both so much that I can't choose. I love the coloring on that one, but this one is just so regal. And then I knew I had faces, but I don't, like I said, I didn't think I had any shiny ones. So not that I don't make my own face beads, but I wanted Amy's too. So, and I knew I had a teardrop in here, and they're very different from each other. Like this one's more blue and purple, and this one's more orange and copper. So I am, oh, no, don't break it. Don't break. I am very happy, and I don't think I had just a plain donut. I have several donuts, but I don't think I had a plain one. So we're just going to place these in here. Amy's got to get a new drawer. You know what? I ordered some of these in March, and then they were back ordered, and then I never heard anything else about it. So I probably should check on that because I know I paid for them. So there we go. Our new pieces are in the mix. Thank you to Amy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, Snuggums. I'm taking an afternoon siesta. Silly Goldie.